Hi everybody, this is Dr. Seth here with Great Works Chiropractic. This is my fantastic assistant Amanda, who's going to demonstrate all these moves for you. In many of you wonderful folks' course of care, I've recommended some form of extension exercise. Those extension exercises are really great for inflamed, damaged, degenerated, or bulged discs in your lower back. So these are going to help you as oftentimes as homework to help with your course of care or to help you stay well once we've gotten you there. So the first one that I'm going to have Amanda show you is going to be is Cobra, which is involves extension of the spine, as she's going to show you here. So you're going to put your hands in front of you just like she's doing, and then just raise up, mainly contracting these muscles right here. You can push a little with the arms, or if you're feeling strong and it doesn't hurt, you can lift your arms off the ground just like she's doing here to exercise these muscles to stabilize a little bit more. I like this because it actively contracts the muscles, creating a more active support system while also creating that extension for disc health. Okay. The next exercise we're going to show you is a Mackenzie extension exercise. This is a classic that comes from the physical therapy world. And it involves, again, extension, but it's a little bit more of a passive, so you're not activating these muscles here. Still keeping the legs and the pelvis basically on the ground, you're just pushing your upper body up off the ground, keeping this whole thing relaxed, and using that extension to allow the discs to have a more forward orientation like they should, as opposed to bulging out, being inflamed and causing you all kinds of woe and worry. Okay. Again, if any of these cause you any type of acute pain, it's not the right thing for you. Let us know right away. Don't do it. Right? Of course, this is not medical advice. If we don't know you and we haven't prescribed this to you, also, it just kind of shows you what needs to be done. Okay, good. The next exercise that we're going to show you is upward dog. This is one that comes from yoga, just like Cobra does. So with upward dog, you're basically bearing your weight on your hands and your released tops of your feet. And so what this does here is, again, it just provides a little bit of, you're having to support your weight. And it puts a little bit of extra activation into the core while still having this great full extension that's going to provide that healthy extension activity for the discs to help them behave normally and go back to behaving the way that they're supposed to. Okay. So I hope that this helps for instruction. We tried to write out instructions for these, and we found that it was so complex that we thought maybe demonstration would work a lot better for you guys. And of course, just let us know if that didn't help. Okay. Thanks a lot, guys. And as always, stay well.